Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Also welcome to the weekly auto news where you will get all important news that happened during this week in the auto industry. Watch till the end so that you don't miss out on any news. Okay, let's jump right into the video. TVS acquires Norton Motorcycle. Norton is a British brand. It currently has more than 10 motorcycles in production. The acquisition costed TVS overall 153 crores. Yamaha's future bikes will be able to detect crashes and send emergency notifications. Yamaha has already patented it. The system will be able to call emergency number in case of crash occurrence. System can also activate horn and indicators of the bike. BS6 Suzuki V-Strom 650 XTTs. Expected to launch here soon. No details revealed yet. Honda to resume partial operations. Over 50 workshops in Kerala are serving customers during the lockdown. Although only 2 days a week, and timings are from 10 am to 5 pm. Government has allowed only two-wheeler workshop and spare parts shops. Bajaj Pulsar RS 200 added on website. Priced at Rs 1,44,966 ex-showroom Delhi. Style and features to remain same as BS4 version. Although BS6 version gets dual-channel ABS. Also weight increases by 2 kilograms. Will be available in 3 colors. Hero Electric offering Rs 5,000 discount on online bookings. Booking amount is Rs 2,999, which will be non-refundable. Offer is valid till 15th of May. Ampere Electric opens online booking. Booking amount will be only Rs 999. Booking is available in 5 cities as mentioned above. Applicable on selected models. Gixxer 250 and Gixxer SF250 might launch soon. Bikes are listed as coming soon on the company's website. Style and features will remain same as BS4 version. But power output will change a little. BS6 version's price will be 5,000 rupees more than the BS4 version. Bajaj Avenger Street 220 removed from the website. All other bikes in Avenger series already launched with BS6 engines. Company has not commented anything on Street 220. Suzuki removed all the big bikes from the website. Mainly because of BS6 compulsion. All models taken off from the website are stated above. V-Strom 1000 might launch soon. BS6 launch of rest of them is not clear yet. TVS Vigo 110 discontinued. Discontinued in India. Reason could be plummeting sales number. Although TVS will continue exporting it. Triumph Bonneville series will get a price hike in July this year. Price hike was likely in this month. But company postpones it. Also company extends warranty, due to lockdown. Ducati Panigale V4 are made from Lego. Ducati and Lego group together built it. Model is made from 646 bricks in the red livery. Model will be available online and in Ducati stores from 1st of June from price upwards of Rs 5,000. 2020 BMW S1000 XR to launch soon. Will get revised styling and new features. Also expected to carry a premium over its predecessor. It will compete with Ducati Multistrada 1260. New Triumph Street Triple RS launched. Gets aesthetic and mechanical updates. Price remains same, although price may increase in July. Vespa and Aprilia's free service and warranty period extended. Piaggio extends original equipment warranty and free service schedule ending during the lockdown. Customer can avail these benefits up to 30 days after the lockdown lifts. BS6 Bajaj Platina 110H gear launched. Delhi ex-showroom price to be Rs 59,802. Which is 3,000 costlier than BS4 model. Bike will be now available only in one variant, that is with disc brake. Bike with drum brakes are now not an option. Triumph Tiger 900 listed on website. Might launch soon in India. Bike will be available in 2 variants. It is expected to be priced between 12.5 lakhs and 13 lakhs. Bajaj removed Discover range from its website. No BS6 version will be launched. The series sale clocked zero in March 2020. BS6 Benelli Imperial A400 gets a price hike. It is priced at 2,20,000 rupees, which is 40,000 more than BS4 model, and bike will be available in new colors. Thank you. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.